Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: Windows 10 or 11, virtualization enabled, and at least 10 GB free. Once done, update your graphics driver and close heavy apps so the installer can run cleanly. Next, run the BlueStacks installer you downloaded, accept permissions, and let the installer configure virtual hardware. You do this because BlueStacks creates an isolated Android environment that uses hardware acceleration. Enabling virtualization in BIOS makes that smooth and much faster. Once BlueStacks finishes installing, launch it and sign into your Google account. This gives you access to Google Play just like an Android phone. Make sure to open Settings right arrow engine and allocate CPU cores and RAM. For most HP laptops, set 2 cores and 4 GB RAM for balance. Also enable GPU mode for smoother graphics. Then set display resolution and DPI in BlueStacks settings to match app expectations. These tweaks optimize performance and prevent crashes or odd UI scaling. Now you simply open the Play Store inside BlueStacks, search, and install apps as you would on Android. Once installed, test apps and tweak BlueStacks settings if something runs slowly. If Play Store shows errors, clear app cache from BlueStacks settings or fully reinstall BlueStacks. That often fixes corrupted installs. If virtualization still fails, reboot into BIOS to re-enable VTX/AMDV or disable conflicting Windows features like Hyper-V. These final steps ensure stable Google Play access on your HP laptop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.